안녕! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Nabak Kimchi. Kimchi has various versions. Nabak Kimchi is watery kimchi made of sliced radish and Napa cabbage. It's usually served in the spring, but the fresh taste can be enjoyed in any season. Nabak Kimchi has to be consumed right when it's made, because the freshness is essential to a good Nabak Kimchi. And actually, I haven't made kimchi all by myself. I was just an assistant of my mom. This is the first time to make kimchi alone, and I want to show you this is not difficult that much. Just please enjoy my first challenge to make kimchi. Okay, then let's set the table. First, wash and peel the white radish. Cut the radish into bite-sized squares and cut into thinly. Cut the cabbage lengthwise in half and then cut into a similar size with the radish. Place the radish and cabbage into a big bowl and sprinkle with the 1 teaspoon natural sea salt and 1 cup of water on top. Gently mix well and let them stand for an hour. During the time, let's trim the ingredients. Cut green onion into 4 cm long pieces. And slice the garlic and ginger thinly. Cut the red chili pepper lengthwise and remove seeds and then slice diagonally. And cut the apple into similar size with radish. After an hour, in a big bowl, combine radish, cabbage, green onion, apple, garlic, ginger, and red chili pepper and mix well. Place them into a container. And then pour the water into the bowl that was used to mix the ingredients. Place the red pepper flakes on the cheesecloth. Immerse the cheesecloth pouch in the water and squeeze gently the pouch several times until the liquid turns pink. Then add 4 tablespoons natural sea salt and 1 tablespoon sugar in the water. Pour liquid into the container. I have 4 containers. You can serve this immediately, but it's not sour and tangy yet, so seal the container and leave it out at room temperature until it ferments and gets sour. If you are in hot temperature like me, then let stand for 6 to 12 hours. And if you are in cool temperature, then 1 day is enough. Keep checking. The signal of fermenting is sour taste. Once the kimchi is fermented, store in refrigerator. It will keep for 10 days refrigerated. Several hours later, I will show you how my kimchi goes on. See you then! Hey, time flies! I'm so excited to taste my first kimchi. Nabak kimchi is usually served with dry or sticky food like congee, sweet potato, and potato. I'm going to have this with steamed potato. Let me taste. It's really refreshing. Radish and apple are so sweet and the cabbage is still crunchy. And this kimchi water is sour and tangy. It's not spiced that much. It's very cool combination. Today I made Nabak Kimchi. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.